Alright, today we'll be looking at a more tougher question on quadratic equation using the formula method. I'll be solving this first one, and this one is for you. So let's proceed. We have 3x minus 2, 5x minus 4 equals 3x minus 2 squared. This squared means you have to repeat this question in brackets twice and open it as well. So let's open this one. So we have 3x times 5x will give us 15x squared. 3x times 4 will give us 12x. Minus 2 times 5 will give us minus 10x. And then we're done. Minus 2 times minus 4 will give us plus 8. We have 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. So this will give us 15x squared. This minus 12 minus 10 will give us minus 22x. And then we have plus 8 equals, we'll open this bracket as well. 3x times 3x will give us 9x squared. 3x times minus 2 will give us minus 6x. Minus 2 times 3x will give us minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 2 give us plus 4. We also collect the like terms now, all the squares, all the x, and all the constants. So we have 15x squared. This comes here, becomes 9 minus 9x squared. We have minus 22x, and these two coming to the side, we have these two give us minus 12, so coming here to be plus 12x. We have the constant 8, plus 4 coming here becomes minus 4 equals 0. What we actually did was to remove everything from here and move them to this side, so leaving nothing here as what? 0. So 15x squared minus 9x squared will give us 6x squared. Minus 22 plus 12 will give us minus 10x. Plus 8 minus 4 will give us plus 4 equals 0. Now from here, we can use our formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Like I said, our a is 6, the coefficient of x squared. Our b is minus 10, coefficient of x. And our c is 4, the constant. With that, we can use this formula. Our b is minus 10, so minus open bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root. B squared is minus 10 raised to the power 2 minus 4 times our a is 6 and our c is 4. 2 times our a is 6. Alright, so minus times minus will give us 10 plus or minus the square root. Minus 10 times minus 10 is 100. Minus times plus will give us minus. 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 times 4 will give us 96 all over 12. So we have 10 plus or minus the square root of 4. 100 times 100 minus 96 will give us 4 all over 12. So we split it as well. This is 10 plus or minus square root of 4 will give us 2 all over 12. Now this means we're going to have two answers. Like I taught us, we're going to have two answers. So this is 10 plus 2 over 12, or 10 minus 2 all over 12. So 10 plus 2 will give us 12 over 12, or 10 minus 2 will give us 8 over 12. So 12 here, 1, 12 here, 1, so we have 1 here. And here we have 4 here is 2, 4 here is 3, we have 2 over 3. So your answer is x, or 2 over 3. Now, this second question is for you. 5 plus 3x minus 2x squared equals 0. Rearrange it and use the almighty formula or the formula method to solve it. See you in my next video.